Today, let's talk about baking powder and how we can make our own homemade baking powder. A couple of weeks ago, I did a video about bioengineered foods, and one of those was baking powder. And Clabber Girl, which is something my grandmother used, something that I used for years, and then not knowing that it was had a bioengineered ingredient in it. Then I switched over to Rumford. And as I was doing my research, I realized that Clabber Girl owns Rumford. But Clabber Girl, the baking powder, has a bioengineered ingredient in it. And that caused me concern. So remember when you were in high school and you had the chemistry class that we all disliked? Such good information was in that class because it taught you about certain chemicals. And because you had that class, it gave you the information that you need to be able to do research so you can make things better. You don't have to wait for big brands to make things better. And that's what I did with baking powder. So I'm going to show you how to make your own baking powder. I'm going to give you the ingredients, and you don't have to be concerned about if there is a bioengineered ingredient in it because you made it and you know what's in it. So what you will need is baking soda, and you're going to need cream of tartar. We usually use this for egg whites. It's more than just used for egg whites. And then arrowroot powder. And always read your ingredients. Nothing is in here except arrowroot starch. So this baking powder, reading my notes, will have no aluminum in it, no phosphates, and no bioengineered ingredients. And how you will make this is with 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, and 1 tablespoon of arrowroot powder. Now you also can use potato starch if you so desire, but I'm going to just use arrowroot powder. And then all you do is mix these ingredients together thoroughly. And there you have it, homemade baking powder. Now, once you have combined all your ingredients, make sure you store your ingredients in an airtight container, and then you use 1-to-1 replacement for the commercial baking powder. Now, why does this work? I'll tell you. Baking soda is a leavening. Cream of tartar is an acid without phosphates and aluminum. And arrowroot powder is the moisture absorber that will prevent any type of clumping. So there you have it, your own homemade baking powder. And as we continue to discover certain products that have bioengineered ingredient in it, start doing your due diligence and find out what you can use as a replacement. And as I discover more things, I will make sure to come back and share those things with you. Happy baking!